Firstar Fiber's plastic pre-processing facility will take hard-to-recycle plastics and convert them into a pellet which can be used for other end markets. Today we are here to visit Firstar Fiber's facility. They have successfully completed the installation phase of all of the equipment and are now moving into commissioning and ramping up of the process. Firstar Fiber processes over 100 tons of waste per day in their material recovery facility, or MRF. Hard-to-recycle plastics are diverted to their newly integrated plastic pre-processing facility, or PRF, located adjacent to the MRF.
One of the things that makes us different is the fact that we're going after hard-to-recycle or almost impossible to recycle plastics. We were the first MRF in the country to establish what is called the Hefty Energy Bag Program on a permanent basis.
Hefty energy bags are available for purchase at local stores in the Omaha area and come with instructions on the types of materials that can be put into the bag, like candy wrappers, foam cups and to-go containers, plastic straws and dinnerware, food box liners, and much more. Once filled in the household, Hefty energy bags are tied and set out for collection with other recyclables.
This is where the magic will happen. This is a PRF, a plastic pre-processing facility. The plastic will be taken from a bale and run through a bag breaker, size reduced, cleaned, and then made into a pellet for use in other technologies. The machinery we use is off-the-shelf items, but we have put them together in a unique fashion that will produce what we consider a very unique feedstock for emerging technologies to use this type of plastic. Once the material is sorted, it will be loaded onto this conveyor that will feed the shredder. But before it goes in the shredder, it will go under a magnet, which will take out any ferrous metals that happen to be in the mix that the sortation people have missed. And the good material will fall down into this plenum. The material is then blown into a spinner or a dry friction cleaner, which will take a majority of the contaminants off of the material. And any of the fine dust will be taken off by this bag house filter and filtered out. Now the granulator will take the material from a 2-inch size down to a 3/8 inch minus. That is to prepare it for going into the pellet mill. The pellet is not melted, it's run through a die, which compresses it, creates heat, and it softens the material so it adheres to each other.
This is material that people don't see any value in it. We want to change that perception. We think it has value. They just have to be collected properly and dealt with to make products that we can use in our lives. Things like plastic lumber, which can be used for decks, it can be used for park benches, and in pallets, which we believe are two locally needed materials that we can develop a very circular economy right here locally in Omaha, Nebraska. We'll be producing feedstock that we believe could be used by some of the Alliance members themselves. With the Alliance's help, we're going to reach out to members and hopefully bring them a whole new way of looking at how to deal with problematic and hard-to-recycle plastics.
Firstar Fiber's integrated waste processing facility is a solution building block for U.S. cities. It serves as a blueprint for other MRFs around the country to incorporate and implement in their waste management systems.